conditions was very tough because of the rain. The match was suspended and he was waiting a long time. You just have to be patient, you have to wait, and then I was trying to warm up very well, that I'm in the match since the beginning, so that's how we do it. Spain usually is warm, not this week, but I like to come back here.
I don't need no more, so I take what I want until I want some more. You can't stop or I will pass you. If you slow down, I will outlast you. But when you're down, you won't find me laughing.
Yes, I love clay. I hope that the weather can help, because with the sun is better. But I stay focused and I try to do my play to beat her. And today I did. I like this tournament. They are very organized, so I hope can grow up and maybe try to go forward. You can come to Barcelona, it's beautiful.